So we're back at the 7-Eleven machine. Let's see if it works now. Oh, yes, yes, it knows what my finger is. It's a finger. Okay, good. Yes, this is what Mama wants. Mama will get it. Okay, where is Mama's bubble tea? Where? Oh, no. Ugh. Okay, it's not perfect. It doesn't love my finger, but it okay, here we go. Okay, yes. Okay, go. All right, yes. Okay, we're going to do cash. Or should we do the sensor? No, we're going to do cash. I don't feel like messing with the scanner. Okay, here's cash. Here's my wallet. All right, I did not get the money ready for you. I'm so sorry. All right, so what is it? It is 25 baht. Okay, 25 baht. I got my 20. Okay, I'm getting the 25 baht. All right, I got 30 baht. Okay, 30 baht. Here we go. All right, here we go. Work it. All right, now when the green light says green light over here flashing, that means you can open up the flap. All right, so there it is. Yes! I got my bubble tea! And I got 5 baht change too.